Hi, in this video, we will see how you can run Python code on your local machine. I'm assuming OpenCV is installed on your system. If it is not installed, go back to the previous section and install it. First, download the sample code from the instructions and unzip it. The folder contains a Python script and an image. Let's see what happens when we run the script. In the address bar, type cmd and hit enter to start a command prompt session in this folder. Now first activate the Python virtual environment. Conda activate OpenCV univ. Now type Python followed by the script name and then press enter. You can see our script has been executed and has created a new image, which is the black and white version of the original image. Alternatively, you can also work with an IDE like PyCharm, where you can write the code and run it in the same application. Along with its debugging capabilities, code completion, project management tools, and more. Go to jetbrains.com/PyCharm. Click on the download button and then scroll down to download the free community edition. Once the download is completed, run the setup and install PyCharm. It's generally good to add PyCharm to context menu, associate .py files with it and add the bin folder to the path. After PyCharm is installed, it's recommended to restart the system. When you first launch PyCharm, it will ask you to read and accept the license. And then we will set up a new project and write some Python code. Give the project a name, set the project location, and select the Custom Environment tab. Under this tab, select the existing radio button, change the type to Conda, and select Environment as OpenCV univ. We have already set this environment, so let's use this. However, you can also create a new environment if you want to. Finally, click on Create. Here we can right-click and create a new Python file. Let's call it main.py. Now in this file, we will import OpenCV and then print the OpenCV version. To run this code, go to the main menu and under Run, click Run main.py. Alternatively, you can also use the shortcut Shift F10. This will print the OpenCV version installed on our system. That's it for this video. Please start with the course content.